Hey guys, Kara here from Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And remember that Swarovski PYT hair straightener that we saw back in May in a photo that Boxycharm showed us? It was sitting on the bookcase, the one to the right on the bottom. That hair straightener is being given away. Two of them are being given away in a contest, a giveaway on the Boxycharm blog that's called the B Word. So that's $10,000 of hair straighteners. This is the blog right here, the top part, everything you need to know about PYT, a giveaway. And then the bottom part shows you the little entry form that you can enter into it. And of course, I'm going to link it in the description box below. So be sure to go and enter it. And I took these photos a few hours ago, and 265,000 people had already entered it. But this was posted by the Boxycharm Facebook account, the official account, and it posted that little blog post for the entry for the two hair straighteners. 9 hours ago it was posted. 319,075 people have entered it in 9 hours. So you have 6 more days to enter this contest to win a $5,000 hair straightener. And good luck to you guys. I'm wondering if we'd have to pay taxes on this. Usually, if you won $5,000, like in the state lottery, they'd send you a 1099 or something. So what would the federal taxes be? Maybe $1,500? Anyway, let me know in the comments. Oh, and here's the bad part. The contest is not only open to charmers. The contest is open to anyone who goes to the blog. So sound off below how you guys feel about that. Do you think that the hair straighteners should have been given to the charmers? Do you think one maybe should have been given to a charmer and one to the other blog readers? Let me know, and hope you all have a good night. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next video.